So here's something you don't see for sale along the road every day. Almost new condition. This was driven to church every Sunday by a little old lady. You believe that? I have a bridge I want to sell you. What a cool car. You can either drive this under its own power or use your feet to pedal it down the road. I wish I could get bank financing. I would buy this. But they don't finance anything over 10 years old. And this is a little bit older than 10 years old. Well, in case somebody sees this that's interested, there she is. And it's a Buick. Hey, I like the wooden spokes, everybody. Haven't seen that for a while, right? Okay, guys, there it is. Come and get it.